Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Marie and I, we're getting an early start this morning, and we're going to go to the Habitat for Humanity store, and we want to go up there and do just a little thrifting. I have one thing in particular that I'm looking for today, and then Marie, do you have anything that you looking for, or just shopping in general?
Just shopping in general.
Okay, well, we're going to go up there and look around some. It's been probably close to 2 months since last time we were there. So y'all come go with us and we'll see what they've got this morning.
Okay, we're here at the Habitat for Humanity store. That's a mouthful to say. And I hope we are able to find what we're looking for, don't you, Kevin?
I sure do. Good morning.
Hi. This piece of furniture is $125. And this piece is $100.
We're back here in the dark corner, Marie.
Yes, we are. This piece is $75, and this piece is $75.
Marie, there's a plate just like the one you got at home.
Yes, I actually got the one that I got at home here.
Okay. Do you have tin cans?
I do. I have a lot at home.
That one's sort of cute.
Yeah,
It's
that
only-
is.
It's only $1.
Yeah, that one is cute. This is $100.
How much is this bed here, Marie?
It's $25, and it's got some bubbling on the edges of it.
Oh yeah, I see it's messed up pretty bad. Several nice little bangers. There's several people in here talking loud. So.
You know, we can't wait for the trees. That's why the older wood stuff is more rings in the front.
I can't see the front of this disc. It appears to be sound, but I don't know about the actual
Yeah,
drawers.
I don't like it too much.
Okay. We'll go back this way.
Oh, that desk is $40.
Oh, okay.
How much is that chest?
50. You probably don't like that one, do you?
It's too deep this way.
Okay.
I didn't see what I was looking for. They don't have it. So see if you can find anything that you like. I got a lot of figurines here, but looks like most of them are $3 each.
This one right here is the $1. It's cute.
This one's $1. It's got a little bell in it.
Yeah. This is cute.
Is this one broke or anything since it's only $1?
I don't know. It could possibly
Looks
be.
like something's missing there on the front. I like the way the bell rings in it though.
Oops. Uh-huh.
Do these look familiar? You know, we used to have sets similar to these, but these are made in China here. They just look like they're old.
There's some dieting books. Quick dinners. Betty Crocker quick dinners.
The hard part is just like remembering the word.
No, it's just a word made, so you have to.
Have you done butter and pepper? Pasta? That's
I've done
Yeah.
that?
present perfect.
No, yeah, that's why it's easy. But once you start doing past and present tense, like, so I am going to, that's easy, because it's just like ear verb, like go verb, volunteer, NPR, stuff like that. So once you start using
Whoops.
No, those initials, he's not about habits. Like last year was English.
I like this cookbook right here. It says All New Complete Cooking Light Cookbook. It's got over 1,000 of their best recipes in here. This is a quick and easy cooking.
Mr. Carver?
This-
So like, the first semester is here, they give us like one assignment to get a look at, like, do by the
This is
week.
$5.
They got finished it the first day and nothing to do the rest of the week. And then e-commerce is straight good. We really play with all.
This is a fat-free cookbook.
And then like later in the season, later in the season.
Okay, I'm going to get this book to add to my other Southern Living cookbooks that I have. And I'm also going to get this Cooking Light one. And I think that's about all. Oh, let's see. I think this is all of the cookbooks that I'm interested in over in this section. Okay.
radiology. Oh, going into radiology? It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Marie has a real soft voice, and the employees are talking, and they're talking louder than her, but we can't do anything about that.
Because it pays good, but just because it pays
Her
good.
exact description was physical therapist. This is still like base, but you don't have to. It was like,
Look, that is so cute for 50 cents. Look, its little arms move and legs.
it was something like a full-on therapist.
I think I've seen just about everything here. They didn't have exactly what we were looking for, but I did get 2 cookbooks. So are you ready to check out?
I'm ready, Marie.
All right, then. cute. Okay, like I was telling y'all, we didn't find anything at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And so we went and got a biscuit today at McDonald's, and so it was pretty good biscuit. So I think we're going to try to walk, I'm going to try to walk a lap around the park today, and I'll see if I can work some of that off. But the only thing that I got at the Restore today was 2 cookbooks. I think I showed you this in the store, but I got this one right here. It's the all new complete cooking light cookbook, and it has a lot of good recipes that I'm interested in. And then I've been collecting the Southern Living edition cookbooks, their annual recipes. And so I've seen this one down here. I've got a lot of them. But anyway, I got this one. It's the 1997 edition. And so I guess me and Kevin is going to get out, and I'm going to try to walk a lap around this park. Sometimes I can do it, and sometimes I have to turn around and come back. Y'all that don't know it, I have hip problems, but I'm going to get out and try to do it and enjoy this beautiful weather, fall weather we're having today. We woke up to the temperatures being in the 40s. Okay, Kevin.
It was nice and cool today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When I get home to edit this video, I may have to play some music in the part where we were inside the store, because a couple of the employees was up front talking real loud, and they were talking so loud they were talking even louder than us. And we were, 30, 40 feet away out in the store?
Yeah.
But I'll put as much on there as I can of Marie talking.
Yeah, they just didn't have what we were looking for in there today. It's just a hit and miss situation with them sometimes. But today, I didn't find anything that I wanted except these 2 cookbooks. And believe it or not, these cookbooks only cost me, both of them, 96 cents for both of them.
Yeah, we got some kind of discount today.
Yeah.
They're regular 50 cents a piece, and then some kind of discount made them be that.
Yeah, and so if I was having to buy this cookbook, it would be very expensive. Probably about $30 if you were buying it brand new. Okay, let's go to get in our exercises.
Well, you go ahead and close the video out, and then we'll walk a little bit.
Okay.
And we'll see y'all on the next video, everyone. Y'all have a great day.
Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and I hope everyone is having a great weekend, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when